Ikominga aba waziri baria bete nominated koba aba waziri Geoffrey Ruku na boigo Hanna Cheptumo nigo baikasirit kuriarera sebunge nene kurigererigwa na kuringurigwa simbachi kanyara koba ebirogo biri baetwe byo waziri bya okoba bokorerwa serikali na boigo kirigia agenda itkuriarero ase ebunge enene.
And you'll recite the oath that the sergeant will hold for you.
I,
Move
Hanna,
closer to the mic so that it's recorded.
Thank you. I, Hanna Cheptumo, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. You may take your seat and sign to the oath. Yes. Name, then tell us if you are Christian, Muslim, or Hindu, or none of the above. Then you will have to take an oath on the holy books there or through affirmation, as the case may be.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. My name is Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku. I'm a Christian.
So you'll take an oath on the Bible?
Yes.
So you may be upstanding. Hold the Bible in your right hand. Raise it and recite the oath.
I, Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Take your seat and sign to the oath. Honorable members and members of the media, for the record, Geoffrey Ruku is a sitting member of Parliament. He's a colleague to all members of this panel, and he's been sitting and continues sitting in the chamber with them. That notwithstanding, members will ask you incisive questions